right, kid. Let's see your skills in the ring. Pick it up, pick it up. It's okay, let's go. Slow down now. Faster, faster. Move your head. Good work. Forget about being tired. You got this one. That was good. Nice, nice. Move it, move it. Doing great. Looking good. Come on, pick it up. 1-2, 1-2. Nice work, kid. Just like that, just like that. Push it, kid. Come on, kid, focus. You can't last here, you won't last in the ring. That's it. Let's go, work it out, work it. Hey, you got some of that too, let's go. Keep it coming, kid. Stay together.
everybody. Glad you've made the decision to be with us. Alongside Teddy Atlas, I'm Joe Tessitore, and we're glad to be bringing you action and welcoming you to the Royal London Theatre here in London, England, for our main event of the evening. 10 rounds in the welterweight division. And now the time has come. All the talk, now comes the walk.
All right, fellas, let's have a good, clean fight. Touch him up and let's go.
All the talk, all the hype, now the fight. Round one, scheduled for 10. I wonder if the knockout streak will continue here. Shotgun's been able to do it throughout his whole career. Knockout man after man, they line up in front of him.
He wastes no time. He goes right out of that corner with one thing in mind. Get rid of that guy.
Takes one to give one. Uppercut in return. Well, supposed to be fighting, but instead he's hugging. And what a clever combination by Shotgun.
Good coach. You're doing great.
Teddy, we know what Hatton is capable of doing. We know how he likes to do it. But what about the taller fighter he's fighting tonight? What does he want to do against Hatton?
Well, the taller fighter wants to use those natural resources. He's got good reach, he's got good height. He wants to stay on the outside, stay away from a buzzsaw that's named Ricky Hatton.
Hatton's on the receiving end of a hook.
That's where you want to be.
Good block by Shotgun. Shotgun's the kind of boxer that wants to do just that. Find the target, get the combination working, land both punches. Right to the head with that right. A snapping combination by Shotgun. Solid hook upstairs. How about that right hand by Shotgun? Teddy, I think he's going to go down. I think he's going to go down after getting tagged right there.
He doesn't know where to go. I mean, he's like a guy that's caught in a hailstorm. He's trying to get to the other side of the street, but he just doesn't know where it is now.
Don't let him keep his distance from you, okay? I want you to take that ring away.
You're losing this fight. I need you to take some chances now. You have to take a chance with this guy, all right?
Shotgun's opponent is not seeing the damaged goods he was opposite of in the last round. This is a different fighter starting this round right here. Great work offensively, landing that combination by Shotgun. And just grabbing onto his opponent.
Don't stay in one spot, circle.
Shotgun's done a good job there, offensively scoring with that left hand. Comes right back with a shot of his own.
Keep your back up, bro. Keep your back up, bro.
Shotgun's so dangerous with that accuracy, a two-punch combination landing. He clinches when he gets to the inside. Took a shot, now he gives a left. Keeping his hands up, getting away of his opponent's effort. Very accurate two-punch combo by Shotgun. Gets rid of that. It was intended for his head. Super two-punch combo by Shotgun. Shotgun's having a lot of success with that short hook on the inside, Teddy. How's he pulling that off?
Oh, first of all, he's got his opponent dropping his right hand a little bit. He's finding a home. There's a wide open spot.
Keep it going.
Stay focused inside.
Good job on the two-punch combo by Shotgun. And now just wasting away some time with that clinch. Final 10 seconds of round number 2. He needs to improve the accuracy a little bit. That was comical by Shotgun. And we come to the end of the round. Shotgun's plan is clearly to go upstairs against his opponent, and to do so, he's staying out of that danger zone, Teddy. How would you attack that?
Well, first of all, you need to move your head. Take that height advantage away. You know, slip to either side a little bit, and all of a sudden...
Boom! Left hand comes home.
Focus, focus. Back to the body, back to the body.
Shotgun's landing a combination here. That's what he does when he's at his very best.
Keep your hands up. Uppercut.
He gives as well as he takes. You saw it on that exchange.
Stay away from those. Come on.
Now his opponent got away from that uppercut. Goes up top with a right hand. What an excellent two-punch combo by Shotgun. Shotgun's ability to properly throw and land his combinations has been stunning. Teddy, why is he so successful?
Because you just said it, he's putting them together. You know, one or two wouldn't land, but he's handcuffing the guy. And the first two punches, they set up the third and fourth.
Well, we got an undefeated fighter in the ring in here tonight. Now, Teddy, if you're in the opposite corner, what are you telling your charge? He's facing an unbeaten man.
Well, what you tell him, Joe, is that this guy's in a lot of trouble because he hasn't been to the neighborhoods, the places you've been, and you're about to take him to that place.
Good, smooth work by Shotgun. That's classic counterpunching.
Yeah, what he did was he pulled that right shoulder back. You know, he just pulled it back, gave him the left shoulder, and then gave him the right hand.
Combination to the head. Hatton's just punching air that time. His opponent was able to get out of the way.
Nice. You're in control, all right? Got that? You are in control, so take your time. Take your time. Move him to the...
The quick takeaway from the first 3 rounds is that one guy's got the higher punch output, the other one's lagging behind. As we start round number 4, Teddy's scorecard 3 rounds to none.
Yeah, the one guy with the high punch rate, the reason he's winning and the reason why he's effective is he's in the geography of the ring he needs to be, in tight.
Shotgun's got a good measure on his opponent. Every time that head dips down, that front of that body leans forward, you see him firing off that uppercut.
Well, there's certain situations where you have to be ready to do certain things. On the inside, the uppercut is usually one of those situations where that punch becomes very available.
Not able to land the headshot. That's a forceful two-punch combo by Shotgun. Good clean shot, returning fire. Well done by Shotgun. Look at that combination by Shotgun.
Side to side, move your head.
Pulls the trigger right away with the left hand after getting tagged himself. Shotgun's combination punching is working well here. And now he brings the left hand upstairs. Oh, that's good stuff. Firing right back with one of his own. Good work by Shotgun. Very accurate work with the hook there after fine defense. Good job protecting himself. Good right hand. Hatton's lack of defense, especially when it comes with just getting away from that right hand, is really costing him a lot here.
Well, it's pretty simple. The old timers would say, move your head, otherwise your opponent will move it for you.
Easy, okay? Easy. I need you to string together your punches.
action starts up again, but it's only favored one man. Hard to see this fight going the distance based on what we've witnessed so far. Well-placed, well-timed combo up top. He took a shot, but he came back with a right hand of his own. Ricky Hatton showing that he's got some defensive. He falls victim to that big hook. Oh, Ricky Hatton got hurt there, and now he's tying up.
He's not used to this. He used to be on the other end of this equation where he's the one doing the hurting. Right now, he's going to have to figure out very quickly how he survives.
A flush hook scores well for him. Missed the body shot. Well-placed counter punch by Shotgun.
Guard your head.
Here's a moment here as you see the step-back counter punch where you realize this is the sweet science, not just some raw savagery swinging out there.
Look at the little subtleties here, Joe. What he does is he forces him into a position to stop the punch. And then when he stops, steps back, makes a miss, and comes right back.
Hatton's taking a lot of punishment, maybe too much punishment for an experienced referee like the one we have in there today to just keep on watching.
Yeah, you would expect him to be ready to do his job. Sometimes the job is to keep them fighting, you know, to make sure they break. Sometimes it's to stop the fight. I think it's that time now.
And once again, he returns fire up top. Hatton's thinking right now that he's doing a good job defensively, but it's really not the case, Teddy. Every so often, you will see a punch split that guard.
Yeah, he's just standing there. First of all, the gloves, he needs to extend them just a little bit away. So, as you said, those punches, you know, aren't going to force their way through to the target, which they're doing right now. They're getting down to him. They're getting through to him.
What a difference from corner to corner. As he sits on his stool, he knows that he is in complete control of this fight, peppering his opponent with power shots.
Well, it's been like that all night long. Anything he throws finds a target.
Relax, relax, you're okay, you're okay. Keep your hands up. You can keep them up, all right? I mean, you know, he caught you with your hands down.
The start of the 6th round.
Shotgun's dominance in the first half of this fight is
Taking
pronounced.
too many
Now,
punches, hands
as this
up.
round begins, a new task for him. Finish up.
Did you see that? Ricky Hatton's down. He is down. A blistering combo put him there.
1, 2.
Hatton able to rise up to his feet. But what does the immediate future hold for him?
Well, he only has a couple seconds to figure it out.
Lands flush with the combination upstairs.
Pace yourself.
He comes with the straight right hand. You can see he's trying to score up top, but off the mark there. Hatton's got to figure out a way to do something different here. I mean, I know he's committed to being a counterpuncher, but right now he's giving rounds away.
Yeah, he is, because he's waiting for things to happen that are not happening. You know, he's laying back, he's waiting for the guy to walk in. See, to be a good counterpuncher, an effective counterpuncher, guy has to come close to you. But his opponent's staying at a distance. He's not giving him anything to counter.
So Hatton is trying to survive the round. And yet another big shot comes in. Will Ricky Hatton be able to even get up here? Not the first time he's been down tonight.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
I give him a lot of credit for even getting up from that knockdown, but he still has to impress and move forward here.
Yeah, I applaud him. I give him credit. But I also recognize that he's in good shape. That's one of the reasons he got up.
He missed by a mile. That wasn't even close by Shotgun.
Pace yourself.
And now he's acting like a fighter, coming back with the right hand after getting scored upon. Targeted counter punch by Shotgun. Oh, a big shot comes home for him. Ricky Hatton unable to stay up on his feet after absorbing that power punch. he can't get up. Unable to beat the count.
Shotgun's your winner by knockout. Now, I think he was headed towards a decision win anyways, but what a good way to just put a stamp on his evening.
Yeah, bring down the curtain and make sure that more people are going to be talking about you when they leave the arena tonight.
Yeah, good one for the fans. Glad you tuned in to see it with us. I'm Joe Tessitore alongside Teddy Atlas saying thanks for being with us.